Hi everybody, it's Miss Joanna here, and we are going to read Pete the Cat, 5 Little Ducks. Look at little Pete and the 5 little ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got a little guest here with us. Say hi, Quack. Quack, quack. He said hi. He's excited to read this book with y'all. Pete the Cat, 5 Little Ducks. Pete the Cat, 5 Little Ducks by James Dean. I love Pete the Cat books. I feel like they're really cute and they are so fun to read, everyone. Look at little Pete right there. Oh, little cute Pete. There he is. Here we go. Let me scoot up a little bit. 5 little ducks went out to play with one cool cat leading the way. Look at these 5 little ducks here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at this one, has shoes on. How silly. Okay. Pete the Cat said, "Let's splash and swim." But only 4 little ducks jumped in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out to play with one cool cat leading the way. Pete the Cat said, "Let's jump and hop." But only 3 ducks popped up. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out to play with one cool cat leading the way. Look, here's Pete. Pete the Cat said, "Let's try the swings." But only 2 ducks flapped their wings. 1, 2. Where are all the ducks going? They're all leaving. 2 little ducks went out to play with one cool cat leading the way. Pete the Cat said, "Let's run inside." It's raining now. Do you see that? It's raining. You can't get wet. Then Pete's gonna be sad. But only 1 duck came by. Look at that duck. He looks so lonely. There's a little worm right there, but look at that little duck. Here's Pete in the house. What? 1 little duck was there to play with one cool cat this rainy day. Pete the Cat said, "It's me and you." But that little duck left too. Look at him, he's leaving. Poor Pete the Cat looks so sad. Sad Pete the Cat went out to play, but all of the ducks have gone away. He's all alone, no ducks left. Pete the Cat said, "Hey, what was that?" Quack, 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 and all the 5 little ducks came running back. Look at all the ducks, they're back with Pete. Five little ducks all yelled hooray. They made Pete a treat that day. Pete the Cat said, "Let's all have fun." Look at them all outside having fun. The end. Okay, thank you everybody for watching, and subscribe or like or whatever you would like. There, can you see me now? He said hi and he tried. I want to read this book together. Let's do this thing, everybody. Focus on me. Come on now, focus on my book. On the book, on the book, book. On the book, please. Thank you very much.